Next thing Mark is up to here is replacing the old-fashioned manual brakes, master cylinder. First thing he does is loosen the brake line fitting, and oddly enough, counterintuitively, the front line the one he first loosened there, it actually powers the rear brakes, and the rear line powers the front brakes. Don't get them mixed up. People do it all the time. People that don't work here, of course. So he's loosening these brake lines, then there's just a couple of bolts there. And the things we're doing here by replacing this cylinder, we're going to install power brakes, which is awesome, and we're going to give them a volume that's more appropriate. The new master cylinder will have appropriate volume. He's manhandling those brake lines. We're going to replace them. You don't have to replace them all the time, just this customer wanted a top quality job. Okay, next he removes the bolts that hold the master cylinder to the car. They're studs that are part of the car, so the nuts come off really easily. This is actually a pretty easy part of the repair. At worst, he's going to have to climb under the dash and remove a clip that holds the rod that powers the master cylinder. Yep, it looks like it's not coming off real easy. So he's going to go on a fishing trip under the dash here and see if this one's held in by a clip.